Alright, today we've got a Wyze sprinkler controller, irrigation controller, 8 zone. Definitely don't need that many. Right now we have 3 zones and we're only using 2 of them. But eventually the third one will go to our garden we have. So today, this is what we're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut open and alright, don't be like me and just cut one side open and think it just opens that way. That's not how it opens. Alright, so here we go. Got the top pretty cover off and looks like we got the main unit on top right here. Whoa, let's not throw it. And all the connectors on the back. The mounting bracket. And then we have a big old brick of a power supply. Looky there. Alright. And looks like we got some wire wraps and some mounting hardware. And that's it. Alright, so I've already ran my wire. That's that wire right there coming in and coming over there. And so it's just mounting this and it's gonna go right up under there. Okay, so we got the bracket mounted. I wanted to put it over there, but the cord wire, whatever, doesn't reach there. So next is just a matter of plugging these in 1 through 3 and connecting the common wire. Alright, so I got those connected 1, 2, and 3 and ground are common. And just need to get your power now on here, but we're going to add a device and maybe home. Wyze sprinkler. Mounting setup begin. Can we just do... Yep, let's go. Skip. Select terminals. 1, 2, 3, common. Continue to mounting. Yep, there we go. The old one's actually outside, so that'd be nice to get rid of that. Next, we did the anchoring. Yep, it's already mounted. Look at that, we got the wires connected. It's plugged in. Yep. It's now in pairing mode. It is in pairing mode. Tap begin. Searching for sprinkler. Pairing. And we're gonna not look at my Wi-Fi. And connect. Finishing. Yep, we're just going to call it sprinkler. Just a little bit more. Alright, so now we're back to doing the zones. So we have zone 1. Let's go see which one that turned on. And zone 1 looks like it is the front yard. Front yard. That gives you a bunch of different selections here. Alright, so we've got, I guess, warm. We're in Arizona, so that doesn't even cover that. Oh, but it's more like trees. Let's do that. Oh. You have citrus out there too. Okay. Next. It is dripper line. Oh wait. Okay, so zone 2 now. And zone 2 is the backyard. Backyard. This is grass. And yep, we have fixed sprayer. Zone 3 doesn't exist, but it's going to be the garden once it gets hooked up. Oh, garden. Tomatoes, cucumbers, sweet peppers, green beans, carrots, lettuce, watermelon, and that will be a dripper line too. Okay, so I switched over to the computer, so it'd be a little bit bigger, hopefully, for you guys. So now we need to go to schedule, create a schedule. Let's do that. We don't want garden, so we're going to remove that. And backyard we do for 10 minutes, and front yard we do for 30. And we'll save that. And then we want days. We want all days. And alright, I think that's it. Okay, so we're here at the back window. And I'm gonna, well, you can't see it. Alright, so I'm gonna press that same button again. Just run it for 3 minutes. Okay, so that's how you turn it on. You hit that little button right there, and then it runs. Cool. Alright guys, well, I think that's it. Then next we'll be removing the old timer off the outside of the house. We'll have to find a new doorstop because, well, it's kind of what we've been using. But we keep having problems with this one not turning things on when they're supposed to. So, why is there so much water here? I think we got a leak. Cool. Alright, new problem. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. And yeah, have fun.